Hello, dear. This is Mrs. Doubtfire, dear, and are here with Mel and Nettie at Mel and Nettie Living Free Zip Codeless, and they're going to do the shout outs for all the great YouTube channels and Instagram channels. And we're going to let Big Mouth Mel, oh sorry dear, and Nettie tell us all about all the stickers they put on their Jeep. I'm Mel.
And I'm Nettie.
And together we are Living Free Zipcoless, living in our 40-foot diesel pusher named Freedom,
along with our Norwegian forest cat named Jack.
And please follow us on our Living Free Journeys. Thank you, Mrs. Doubtfire, for that wonderful intro. But we're here to do some sticker shout outs from some YouTubers and Instagram folks that we did some sticker swaps with. And if you'd like a sticker and you don't have a sticker, what do they do?
Please email us at melnettylivingfreezipcoless@gmail.com.
Absolutely. At the end of this video, please check out these wonderful YouTubers and Instagrammers.
Thank you
for dropping by.